Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I am going to be doing a cross purple with purple flowers. It's going to be a thinner one. This is a custom order. So yeah, what I have here, let me move this out of the way. I have 40 mils of resin mixed up, and I'm going to take some purple resin dye. And I just want a little bit. I don't want this like dark purpley purple. Just want a hint of purple like that. Just a tiny bit. I don't want this overpowered with the purple dye. Just like that. See that? It's just a hint of purple. That's perfect. I did not run my vacuum. I did not run my resin through the vacuum chamber. I just heat up part A in a warm water bath. Part A is the resin. So yeah, set my mold back. Put this flower back over here. Let me get my dotting tool or my silicone tool. All right, we're going to be working backwards. So I'm going to be putting the flowers face down. I'm going to fill this with the resin. That's a perfect shade. Okay. I'm going to take my heat gun and I'm going to pop any bubble. If you do use the heat gun to pop the bubbles, you want to keep the heat gun moving. You don't want to concentrate it in one spot for too long because you can't cure your resin. You can't flash cure it. Let me get some tweezers. All right, we're going to start putting these purple flowers in. Go up there, and I'll sink them down when we get down to that part. That looks good like that. I want to bring this down just a little bit. There we go, right? Right. Oh no, don't fall apart. Hold up. Right there. Okay, I'm going to get this out of there. Don't want that in there. All right. Let's see. Let's put the white one in there. Let's go here. And I want this one down like that. Let's go here with this one. Come on, get up there. There we go. Now let's put this one in there. Okay, I'm gonna take my silicone tool and I'm just gonna push the flowers down into the resin. You may notice if you do this that bubbles will cling to the flowers, so you got to be mindful of that. So just pushing these down. I like that one there. That's really pretty. Yeah, and she wanted these to be thin because she wants to hang them up. And so these aren't going to be as thick as the ones I usually make. Okay. I'm going to put that there. That there. So pretty. Okay. Now I'm going to hit this with my heat gun again because I can see some bubbles forming in there. I will try to have everything linked in the description box. I'm going to use these little flowers here. I like to use these as my little filler flowers. So I'm going to grab a little purple one here. Sink that down in. Now the bubbles will definitely stick to these flowers for sure. Put that in there. And I would spray some isopropyl alcohol in here, but I don't know what these flowers were colored with, and I don't want to cause the inks or whatever they use to run, and so the bubbles really cling to these little flowers. I want to add a little bit of greenery to it, so I'm going to put that there, that there. Okay, let's see. We'll go there. There we go. Want that to stay there. There we go. Put these little ones in there. That's good like that. Okay, I'm going to periodic, I see bubbles still popping up. I'm going to hit this with my heat gun one more time. Close this so these don't go everywhere. And I will be back in about, it's not a lot of resin there, but my room is kind of warm. It's about an hour. I'll let you know exactly how long it'll be. And then we'll add a little bit more resin to it. So, okay, it's been, I don't know, about an hour and a half. So I got an ounce of resin here. You know what? I want to add a little bit of the purple to it. Just a little bit. So I'm going to get my little stick out again. I'll dip it in the resin. Like that. It's not even a full drop. I'm going to get some of that off of there. All right, let's see if we can get that in there. I don't want it to be streaky. Of course, it's going to stick to my little stir stick. that's okay. I'll show you what color that looks like. Put it on that. That's what we got. Okay, now let's start pouring that in there. It's only an ounce. So just want it enough to cover the flowers, which is perfect. Okay. Now I got these little, they're not rhinestones. They're little, they look like little metal. There's no color to them. But one side has an AB cut to it, where it's got the sparkle. See the sparkle? And I like putting that side down. See, that's facing up. But I want it to face down. Like that. Just want to put a couple of them in. Okay, that one dropped in right. That one went in there the right way. Okay, I'm doing pretty good. Let's see. Oh, that one. Let's see if I can get it to flip. There we go. These really hold up good in the resin, and it doesn't. They don't lose their bling in the resin, and it's not like real like in your face, but if light hits it, you'll see the sparkle. Just a couple more. Then I'm going to hit it with my heat gun and pop the bubbles. Did that one go in the right way? Oh, flip it. Come on, there you go. Okay, I'm going to hit it with my heat gun and pop the bubbles. And I will be back when it's cured for the demold. Okay, this is cured. Let's see what we got. I want it to be nice and thin. That looks pretty. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I like it a lot. That's the back. I'm going to put a thin coat of resin on the back, but let me get my deburring tool. It's still kind of bendy, but that's okay. It's not too bendy. So I'm just gonna gently go around these sides here and get this. And then I'm gonna tape it up. Yeah, I don't want to gouge it, it's still too soft. So I'm going to tape this side up with painter's tape, and I will be back as soon as I'm done with that. Okay, I have some resin here mixed up, and I'm going to slowly put it on here on the back. I don't want to dome it so much. I just want to cover a lot of those flowers that I can feel in the back. So I'll probably just fast forward this. Okay, I'm going to let this cure and we'll be back for the reveal. Okay, here is the cross. finished. I think it turned out beautiful. I did put one of these on the back because she does want to hang it on the wall. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this one. I also did, I'll show it to you. I also made a blue one for her the same way. Let me know in the comments, if you will, which one you like better, the purple or the blue. It turned out beautiful. I just love them. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. To my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. Could not do this without you. Until next time, you guys have a great day and God bless. Bye.